Well, I woke up and noticed that there was a little issue. We had a storm yesterday down here in South Florida, and it was super windy, and I got up and just happened to notice that my fence has been blown down. Passion fruit, passion flower on the vine. So I've got a whole fence load of this passion flower I planted a year or two ago, and it has made my fence totally collapse. The wind the other night did. So anyway, I'm heading on up to get some fence posts. There's one of my baby banana trees that tried to land right on top of it. And there's another one over here. It's not doing that great, but it is doing. So anyway, I just thought I'd come out here and make a real quick video of what I've lost today. Oh, I haven't really lost it. It's just I just need to go up to the hardware store and go ahead and buy some. I guess I'll be digging fence post holes today. Okay, I guess that's gonna do it. That would just about do it. We're going over here back to this side.